Window installation can transform the look, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home. However, the process must be executed with precision to reap these benefits. In Ferndale, where weather can range from crisp winters to humid summers, poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, energy loss, and structural issues. Here, we explore common window installation mistakes and explain how hiring a professional can ensure the job is done right. Incorrect measurements. The mistake. Accurate measurements are critical in window installation, but DIYers and inexperienced installers often make errors, leaving gaps or creating too tight fits. A window that's too small requires excessive filler material, compromising insulation. On the other hand, one that's too large can damage the surrounding wall. How professionals avoid it. Skilled window installers in Ferndale use precise measuring tools and techniques, considering not just the window dimensions but also the depth and alignment of the window frame. They account for slight variations in older homes, ensuring a custom fit every time. Neglecting the building code. The mistake. Home improvement projects must comply with local building codes and regulations. Ignoring these guidelines during window installation can lead to legal issues, fines, or even safety risks. How professionals avoid it. Professionals stay up to date with Ferndale's building codes. They ensure every installation meets structural requirements and incorporates necessary safety features, such as tempered glass for larger panes or windows near staircases. Poor sealing and insulation. The mistake. A poorly sealed window allows air and moisture to seep through, undermining energy efficiency and promoting mold growth. In Ferndale's climate, where seasonal humidity is common, this mistake can lead to costly repairs. How professionals avoid it. Experts use high-quality sealants and ensure even application. They also properly insulate around the frame to prevent drafts and maintain a stable indoor temperature. Their attention to detail ensures a durable, weatherproof seal. Skipping flashing installation. The mistake. Flashing is a protective material that prevents water from entering around the edges of the window. Omitting flashing or installing it improperly can lead to leaks and water damage over time. How professionals avoid it. Trained installers follow best practices for flashing, using weather-resistant materials and layering them correctly to create a watertight barrier. They understand the importance of this step, especially in areas like Ferndale, where rain and snow are part of the seasonal cycle. Misaligned windows. The mistake. A misaligned window not only looks unsightly but also affects functionality. It can cause difficulty in opening and closing and reduce the overall efficiency of the window. How professionals avoid it. Professionals use levels and specialized tools to ensure perfect alignment. They also adjust the window frame and shims carefully during installation to maintain proper placement and balance. Using substandard materials. The mistake. Cost-cutting efforts often lead DIYers to use inferior materials for frames, sealants, or fasteners. These materials may fail over time, resulting in recurring issues. How professionals avoid it. Reputable installers prioritize quality materials that withstand Ferndale's varied climate. From energy-efficient glass to durable sealants, professionals choose products with proven performance and longevity. Ignoring window placement and orientation. The mistake. Incorrect placement or failure to consider a window's orientation can limit natural light, reduce ventilation, and even increase energy costs by allowing too much heat gain in summer or heat loss in winter. How professionals avoid it. Professionals evaluate the home's design and the position of each window. They consider factors like sun exposure, prevailing winds, and your specific preferences to optimize placement for comfort and efficiency. Overlooking structural integrity. The mistake. Cutting corners during installation can compromise the structural integrity of the surrounding wall, leading to sagging, cracking, or other issues. How professionals avoid it. Experienced installers reinforce the window opening as needed and take extra care with older or damaged walls. They ensure the structure is stable and capable of supporting the new window. Why choose professionals in Ferndale? Ferndale homeowners benefit from hiring licensed and experienced window installers who understand the region's unique challenges. Professionals take a holistic approach, ensuring windows are energy efficient, weatherproof, and visually appealing. They also provide warranties, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. The bottom line: window installation mistakes can lead to energy inefficiency, water damage, and costly repairs. In Ferndale, where weather plays a significant role in home maintenance, it's essential to avoid these pitfalls. By choosing professionals, you can ensure a flawless installation that enhances your home's comfort, appearance, and value for years to come. If you're planning a window replacement or installation project, don't leave it to chance. Trust the experts to get it right.